Hey everyone, welcome back. So now let's show how to work with shadows in AppGameKit. So the first thing I want to do is create a new project. All right. So um, everything I can basically leave at default how it is, but I do want to mess with some settings here. So I'm gonna bring this down a few lines. Um, and what I want to do is, all right, so if we run that really quick, you're going to see it's a red color now. Also, I'm going to set this to 60 frames per second. And then from there, what we can do is create a variable. We're just going to do okay. So now from there, let's show the sun. This is just showing the sun. So this is not necessary, but it does improve the experience. So I'm just gonna do it. So we're gonna do set skybox visible, and we're gonna say 1. If we run this now, uh, you're gonna see that it's just a white area. We will have to edit that. So now let's create some float variables. Now let's set sun direction. And now let's set the ambient color. Now let's do like we did before. We're gonna load a 3D model. So I have one prepared. It's a church. I'm just gonna put that into my media file real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, and don't worry, I'll have these resources for you in the description. All right, so let's go ahead and load a 3D object. I don't know why I set that as a 2. There we go. There's our model, but we can't move around it or anything yet, but that's fine. All right. Um, all right, let's make the ground really quick. So let's do understand why I keep doing. There we go. That looks much better. All right, so we got our little church put in there. As you can see, there's some shadows going already. All right. Let's go ahead and add a animated character. Now let's try this. 0.05. Let me try now. There we go. So there's our player. Our church is a little small. Let me see if I can make that a little bit larger. Be right on in here. Set object scale. It's gonna be object 1, and we'll do, I don't know, 2, 2, 2. Or you know what? I'll do 1.5. I think that'll be good. Let's run it. Bam. All right, cool. That's gonna be our little building. We got a little animated character there. He's a little bit close. Let me try -10. Yeah, that's a little bit better. A little bit farther away from it. Okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna do the whole camera thing on screen. This is gonna be the same that we did for our little object moving around in the 3D world in our first 3D video. So let me just pause this and I will bring it right back. And all right, so now I'm back. So in the do loop here, I just had it to where we can move the camera with the WASD keys and also move the camera, the viewing angle with our mouse. So if I run the game now, we can click and drag to look around and move around with WASD. There's a little character. You can see his shadows there on the ground. It's not the best looking, but you know, it does work. We got a little fuzzy right now. We got our sun and it's pointing down in the correct location to where our shadows are. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be it, everyone. In the next one, we'll set up collisions, moving around in the world with an actual playable character where we can see the gun on screen like a actual FPS. And that'll be it. And all right, I'll see you guys in the next one.